Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this. Um, sure, sure. Let me just get my stop in place here. All right, we'll see if I get filled or not. I had 93 cents here on the offer on PayPal to see if I can get short. Low a day is 46 cents. And Facebook is looking very heavy as well. And we'll see if I get filled on this retest here of this PayPal. Only a couple cents away. Penny away. Still can't get filled on the offer. Got it there. I have an average price of 93 cents. Looking for new lows on PayPal. Lows are 46 cents. Popping above the hole. Could have gotten even better prices. Mm. Yeah, but that's broader market versus individual name. So I do like this setup, but she needs to start. I need to see the seller come back in and start to work their way down. Correct. Yep. Seer on the left and execution platform Lightspeed on the right. Intraday is 4. Yeah. I don't really trade on margin. I just not liking this. Not liking this. Need to see that seller step in rather soon and start working this back under 120. Otherwise, my thesis is wrong here. Definitely not seeing a tremendous amount of buying here on this PayPal. So let's see if we can get the seller to start moving their order. It feels like they tested the waters and then just let it pop back up, but Would like to see them come back in and start working, or my time stop is going to start taking effect. So probably in the next 3 to 5 minutes, I want to see this start working back down toward lows and see the seller start doing work. Seller stepping in there, starting to hit the bids a little bit. Here we go. There they are. Now I see them. There goes the seller. This is what I was waiting for. Let's see. This guy starts just hammering the bids. Yep. Selling at 86. Stepping down to 85. Let's see them hammer these 80 bids down into the 70s. Very nice. Let's see them step down. Want to see some follow through from this guy. Stepping down to 80s. That's good. Continue to step down, hold that 80, and step down to the 70s. Even better. Good. There they are. Just continuing to step down. Facebook's on lows. Let's go take a look. I don't have a trade entry there. We're down into the 60s on PayPal here. Looking very nice. Down into the 50s. My first cover is very, very close to here. We almost got it. Oh, almost got it. 54 cents. I'm a couple cents away. I am on the bid. I just covered a third of my position right there. And I am looking to hit new lows here on PayPal. There is low of day. Would like to see us crack that. There we go. Gonna cover one there on that flush. Would like to see a big push back under 119. I could smell that seller sitting in there. I could see him. Yeah, I could absolutely just see him sitting in there. Come on, keep working. 37, he's stepping down. Want to see him continue to work here. Don't want to see him give up. At 41 cent is buying right now. Want to see him go away. He is refreshing. The seller is locked in with this 41 cent buyer here, which is the prior low of day. Would like to give it a little bit of time and space to breathe through there, but at this point, I want to see that seller come in and finish their order. Let's see what they do here. 60 cents holding for now. Seller's not pushing down anymore. That prior low of day is holding. I'd like to go retest that prior low of day and see us crack it. If we don't crack that prior low of day, on the next test, I'm going to even lighten up even more to a sixth of my position. I'm down to a third here. Oh, really? Yeah, the thing with equities is that when they're in play, which PayPal is, and that's part of my edge, is only is stock picking and being in play. Looks like the seller's about to start pressing. They're hitting the 54s, knocked them out. Step down to 54 offer. Starting to work on these 52 bids. I need to see this guy really just slam these bids here and start to move this thing lower. And this is the shot here. If he doesn't get it here, then I'm starting to get out. I'd like to see these 40s go. Step down. Keep working. I like that. I like he stepped down to 45. But he's not really making headway past 45. So there's definitely some guy in here holding this thing up. I'm covering another piece. I'm down to 1/6 of my position here. I don't like the fact that we did not go retest lows with ease. So I'm just playing a little defensively. And it's midday, so no, I gotta focus here for now. I'll check it out in a minute once this thing's over. I just want to follow this seller and see if are they done? Are they just waiting? A little bit of advertised size on the bid, so I'm hoping this guy will take him out. He did. That's good, but he's not pressing lower. Mm-mm. They're battling it out here. These two participants. I could just see it on the tape. Both of them are going. I am going to give him a couple more chances to try to break through this buyer who's making a big stink over here. And if this buyer doesn't get out of the way, I'll cover my position. Seller's doing some good selling here in the high 50s. Holding that. Still has more to sell. I like that. Stepping back down. Refreshing. Smack those bids. Good. Now let's see this buyer get out of the way in this 50s, 40s area. Flush right now. Now or never. Go finish your order. There you go. Go attack that low a day. If this thing rebids 50 or 60 cents, I'm out. It needs to go break lows right now. The seller needs to either do his work or get out. Yeah, either shit or get off the pot. We're 2 cents off of lows here, so I'd like to see. Here's low a day. Low a day. Can we crack it? We should at least test it. I feel like this seller has more to go, and they're just, there we go. Crack that low a day. Break them. There you go. New lows on PayPal. Let's go check the other side of 119. Let's go check 118s. You're hungry. You want to go to lunch, whoever you are, seller. Go finish your order. Finish your order and go to lunch. Just smack the bid. He's stepping down to 26. He's getting more aggressive now, down to 22. If this guy rebids a 50 bid, I'm out. Go. 23 cents is low a day. Go check the other side of 119s. Not a very aggressive seller. He must not be that hungry right now. Or he's trying to not tank the entire market with his order because it's so thin on the bid right now. I feel like this guy has more to sell. Come on, keep selling. More aggressively, please. That's better. Just the aggressiveness of the seller is lukewarm, medium. It's not hot, just based on the tape, but it is very heavy tape. But he's just not as aggressive as I would like to see for right now. But that's okay. I mean, you take what you can get. Was that you or Alan who asked me about profit targets? Yeah, I mean, I don't like push. Yeah, there's a buyer down here who was holding this thing up as well. They were buying in the 50s, they're buying in the 30s now. And the seller is trying to not just destroy this PayPal before they can get some of their size off, it feels like. But you take what you can get, you know? You don't. Exactly, exactly. Oh, yeah. Seller keeping a lid on it, trying to move it down. Some size, 15,000 shares at 38s. Let's go. What did Facebook ever do? Let's take a look. Big crack, and then nothing. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a setup there. I'm about to cut this PayPal. Take my profit and walk. The seller is just not there right now. I'm out. I'm taking it. I'm done. Okay. And you can see the tape. He's just lifting. He's not pushing right now. So small little scalp there. Let me turn off the recorder.